It's only 1:18, Jeffrey. It's only 1:18. Yep. You see that?
Yep.
That's on? Okay. 1:18 and 20 seconds, okay?
Alright. Here we go. National EAS. Here we go.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
All right.
Well done?
And that's it.
Okay.
And we see now the end of the video?
That's it. Okay.
That's it.
Okay. You need to have